Now we are doing our chapter 8. In that we are doing exercise 8.2. Right? Last time we have incomplete the third one. Question number 1 into third. Right? That is incomplete, or it is means we have not completed in the time. So we will start it again from the beginning. Okay? चलो. Third question is that cos 45 is upon sec 30 plus cosec 30. We have to find out the value of this sum, right? So I have written on the board and given the question. Have you written anything in that answer? Are you getting my voice?
यस मैम. मैम
हाँ,
ये सम स्टार्ट करो उससे पहले मेरे को एक एग्जांपल में बता दोगे या फिर ये सम होने के बाद?
ये सम कंप्लीट कर, मैंने लिख दिया है इसलिए. ओके, इसके बाद कंप्लीट आपका
अच्छा
करना.
चलो कोई बात.
ओके.
हाँ ओके.
So here is given cos 45 is equal to 1 upon root of 2 and cos 30 is equal to 1 upon root of 3 and cosec 30 is equal to 2. Right? Now we will take the LCM again. So what will become 1 upon under root of 2 we are adding 1 here. Okay? Downside. So we are just saving our space. So now here we have to take the LCM. So LCM will become what? Under root of 3. Now, here you have to multiply with 1 only, and here you have to multiply with under root of 3. It become 2 into under root of 3. Right? Now, this 3 will go ahead, upside down. So, what will become under root of 3? This will go upside, become under root of 3 upon under root of 2 into 2 plus 2 under root of 3. Right? Now, now we are going to multiply. So under root of 3 upon 2 into 2 become what? 2 under root of 2 plus 2 is here. So 3 2s are 6. So under root of 6 will come. Right? 2 under root of 2 plus 2 under root of 6. Right? Now, again we are rearranging the terms. If we are writing under root of 3 upon, now we are writing a bigger number ahead. It becomes 2 under root of 6 plus 2 under root of 3. Sorry, 2 is there. Right? This was clear to everyone. Now students, here we are rationalize the number. So this same number and what here opposite the sign. We just rationalize that number. So will become that 2 under root of 6 minus 2 under root of 2. Again here also same number we will multiply. Clear? So 3 into 2 under root of 6 minus 2 under root of 2 is 1. And divided by here a square minus b square will become 2 under root of 6 square minus 2 under root of 2 square. Clear? Now 2 is here, 2 remain as it is. Now 6 3s are 18 minus 2 and 3 2s are 6 divided by 2. 2 square is equal to 4 and 6 under root of 6 and square is 0. This cancel out and remaining is 6. Becomes what your 24 minus 2 square is equal to 4 and square cancel out remaining is 2. So 4 2s are 8 will come. Right? So now here we are taking out 2 as a common. So what will become? 18 is there. Right? Instead of 18, we are adding as a 9 2s. So just now remain as it is. Then we will go ahead. Upon 24 minus 8 is equal to what? 16. And we can add 2 8s are 16. Right? So now here under root of 18 is there. Under root of 18 is there, right? So instead of under root of 18, what can we write? 9 2s are. So 3 will come out and remaining is under root of 2 only. So instead of 18, we can write 3 under root of 2, right? So we will write here 3 under root of 2 minus under root of 6 upon 8. Clear? So this one will be your answer. Here in the denominator, no under root is given. Now understood this sum?
मैम
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
मैम जो ये थर्ड स्टेप में है ना 2 प्लस अंडर रूट 2 प्लस 2 अंडर रूट 3 ये वाला कैसे? हाँ, ये 2 अंडर रूट 6 कैसे आया मैम?
Okay.
एक बार बताओ ना.
ये था under root of 3, ये under root of 2, right? Now understand.
Yes,
Under root
ma'am.
of 3 that remain as it is. Now here we do multiply.
Yes, ma'am.
Under root of 2 multiply by 2. So what will become 2 under root of 2 because both are the
Yes, ma'am.
unlike terms. Similarly, this 2 multiply with this term. So 2 will remain as it is. Both are in the under root. So we have to multiply that term. So 2 into 3 will become 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here just we have arranged the term. Bigger number we came taken as the first, and then we have taken the smaller number. If we are not taking, still you will get the same answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now anyone has a doubt?
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay, now take a screenshot, and then we are going ahead. Now students, tell me your doubt in the example.
मैम एग्जाम्पल थर्ड है ना,
हाँ, करते पूरा सब, डोंट वरी,
उसमें
पूरा ही कर
मैम
लेते हैं.
पहले मेरा डाउट सुनो फिर पूरा करें. जो उसमें है ना हाइपोटेनस वाला जो है ना, बेस स्क्वायर परपेंडिकुलर स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू हाइपोटेनस स्क्वायर, वो वाला मेथड लगाया है इसमें कि नहीं?
देखो, मेथड आपको जो समझ में आए वो कर सकते हो. अगर यहाँ पे अलग मेथड है,
लेकिन मैम हम जिस मेथड से करते हैं उससे तो मेरा 400 आंसर नहीं आता है.
तो देखो बेटा, यहाँ पे आपको क्या दिया गया है? बेस दिया है ना. यूनिट BC इज गिवन 21 एंड AB इज गिवन एज अ 29, राइट?
हाँ.
सो आपको थीटा आपको एज्यूम करना है
Yes,
कि
ma'am.
B आपका वो थीटा बन जाता है. सो आप ऐसा
हाँ.
करोगे तो पहले आपको AC मिल जाएगा
हाँ.
20 यूनिट्स.
नहीं मिल रहा है ना मैम. 29 का स्क्वायर 781 होता है और 21 का स्क्वायर 441 होता है.
ठीक है, देखो चेक करते हैं, अभी मिल जाएगा. ओके, एक बार हम अपनी तरफ से पाइथागोरस करके देख लेते हैं आता है कि नहीं आता है आंसर. ओके, चलो.
Yes, ma'am.
So your AC square will become, चलो first will become AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square, right? AB square is given as a 29 square is equal to AC we have to find it out, and BC is given as a 21 square. Now AC square is equal to become 29 square minus 21 square. That is okay. This much is right? Now what is the square of 29?
841.
841. And what is the square of 21?
441.
Now 841 minus 441. What did you get?
400. 400.
So 400 is the square of what?
20.
So you got AC is equal to 20 only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what we have to find it out? Here we have to find it out first. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So now I am erasing it. Okay. And just putting that in everything in this one. A, C, and B is given. Here 21, this is called as a theta, and we got here 20. Right? First we have to find it out cos square theta plus sin square theta. And before that, we have to find out the value. What is sin theta? So B is the theta. So sin means what? Opposite upon hypotenuse. So sin theta will become 20 upon 29, right? And cos theta. Cos theta is equal to what? This adjacent and hypotenuse. So become 21 upon 29. Right or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are going to keep the values. Cos square theta is this one. So 21 upon 29 whole square plus sin square theta is 20 upon 29 whole square. 21 square is equal to 441 upon 29 square is equal to 841.
841.
20 square is equal to 400 and 29 square is equal to 841. Right? So now, same denominator is there. So we will go directly addition of this one. So what we can get? 841. Here 441 plus 400. 441 plus 400. So what will be the answer? 841 upon
841.
equal to 1. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now second we
अब
have
मैम
to find.
माइनस वाला करने की जरूरत नहीं है मैम.
आ जाएगा समझ में?
हाँ हाँ मैम.
इसमें कुछ नहीं है, यहाँ पे सिर्फ माइनस है. See,
हाँ मैम.
just put the minus and you will get the answer. Just here will become 41 upon
1.
841. Right? This
41.
will become your second answer.
यस मैम. और मैम है ना, जैसे अभी आपने बताया कि है ना, बी हम थीटा लेते हैं, बी को हम थीटा मानते हैं, तो इसकी जैसे हमने ए को थीटा माना तो हमारी हाइपोटेनस ए भी हुई और एडजेसेंट सी हुआ.
हाइपोटेनस चेंज नहीं हो
सबकी
सकती.
हाइपोटेनस सबकी हाइपोटेनस सेम रहेगी.
हाँ, हाइपोटेनस का मतलब क्या होता है कि राइट एंगल के ऑपोजिट साइड. राइट एंगल के ऑपोजिट में चेंज होने वाली है.
तो मैम अगर चाहे हम बी को थीटा मानो या सी को थीटा मानो या ए को थीटा मानो, हाइपोटेनस सेम रहेगी.
हाँ, हाइपोटेनस सेम रहेगी और कभी भी ऐसे सम में नहीं आएगा कि आपको सी को थीटा मानना पड़ेगा. ओके, ऐसा कभी कोई सम नहीं होगा.
मैम अभी तो था साइन थी ये जो 8.1 में.
8.1 में कहाँ? मींस जो राइट
sin A cos A.
उसको हम कभी कंसीडर नहीं करते थे थीटा.
तो मैम एक तरह से तो साइन सी साइन हमारा क्या होता है tan A, तो हम A को थीटा मानते हैं.
हाँ,
और अब जैसे है ना tan C आया तो हमें C को थीटा मानना पड़ेगा ना.
पर मोस्टली ऐसे सम में नहीं होता कि जब जो भी राइटिकल होता है उसको हमें थीटा या ए मानने की जरूरत पड़े. वैसा राइट एंगल को नहीं होता. रेस्ट ऑफ द टू जो वर्टेक्स होंगे उसको ही हम मानने वाले जो थीटा करेंगे वो.
अच्छा, ओके.
कि आप देखोगे तो देखना कभी भी नहीं ये वाले को थीटा नहीं होगा कि चलो tan c की वैल्यू फाइंड करो. वो नहीं होगा कभी, क्योंकि tan c के लिए क्या होता है, बोथ आर द ऑपोजिट साइड, बोथ आर द एडजेसेंट साइड.
ओके मैम.
तो वो कंसीडर ही नहीं होगा ना कि कौन सी हम ले और कौन सी ना ले. दैट्स व्हाई. चलो, नाउ टेल मी नेक्स्ट वन. इज देयर एनी डाउट रिगार्डिंग द अनदर सम्स? एग्जांपल्स?
नो मैम.
और किसी को डाउट है? हेजल, हीना, वृतिका, आयुष,
नो मैम.
आपने किए थे? करना भी जरूरी है. हाँ, तो ये डाउट क्लियर होंगे, डाउट होंगे. ठीक है, चलो. नाउ 8.2 came back. Right now fourth number. Okay, so now start doing the 8th number, fourth number. Okay, so now
1/2.
now we will put the values of all, right? One by one, just tell me your sin 30 is equal to
हाफ.
1/2 plus tan 45 is equal to
1.
minus cosec 60 is equal to
2 under root 3.
2 by under root 3.
under of 3, right? Now cos 30 is equal to
2 under root 3.
The root 3.
2 under of 3, right? Now cos 60 is equal to
Half. 1
1 upon
1 upon 2.
and cos 45 is equal to
1.
1, right? Now we have to solve this sum. So now first of all we have to take the LCM. If 1 upon 1 is that means we can say 1 upon 1, right? So here LCM will be what? 2 upon under root of 3 outside this bracket. Okay, if you are finding the LCM will become 2 under root of 3. Now here we have to multiply with under root of 3 plus here we have to multiply with 2 under root of 3 and minus here we have to multiply with 2. The 2 2s have become minus 4. Getting? आने समझ में? सबको समझ में आया ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now division is that we are talking about of this term. Okay, so we have to take the LCM first. So here we are writing LCM will become 2 under root of 3 same, right? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
here we have to multiply with 2. The 2 2s are 4 plus here 2 is there, so we have to multiply with under root of 3 and plus here we have to multiply with both, which 2 under root of 3. Right? Now students, I am writing this LCM outside because it is denominator as well as denominator. So this will come ahead. So we are writing the multiplication form 2 under root of 3. Okay, by raising this one. So this LCM will be cancelled out. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So remaining is what? Under root of 3 plus 2 under root of 3 minus 4 divided by 4 plus under root of 3 plus 2 under root of 3. Now here like terms are present. Which are the like terms? Here under root of 3.
2 under root 3 minus 4 or plus 4.
Now, but these are the like terms. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
As under root 3 is x. So x plus 2x become what? 3x.
Yes, ma'am.
So we are writing the same over here. So it becomes 3 under root of 3, right? Minus 4 upon 3 under root of 3 because 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 so become what? 3 under root of 3. So 3 under root of 3 plus 4, right? This we can write now. Okay, so again we are replacing this number by multiplying what? 3 under root of 3 minus 4 and 3 under root of 3 minus 4. Why? Because here plus is there, then we have to put here minus to rationalize the number. So, what will become? Here 3 under root of 3 minus 4 and 3 under root of 3 minus 4 is there. So, what will become? 3 under root of 3 minus 4 whole square. Right? 2 times is given, so it become whole square. Now we have 1 time plus and 1 time minus is there. So we can use a square minus b square. So a square means 3 under root of 3 square minus 4 square. Yes. So now it is we have to use this identity. A minus b whole square is there. Then we should use a square minus 2ab plus b square. The similar identity we are going to use here. Okay, so what will become? A square means 3 under root of 3 whole square minus 2 into 3 under root of 3 here 4 and plus 4 square, right? And divided by what will become? A square minus b square. So a square means 3 square will become 9 into 3 become what? 27
27 minus 16.
minus 16. Okay. Now, here again, 3 under of 3 square become what? 27 only.
27.
Right. 27 minus 2 3s are 6 under of 3 plus 4 square become 16 divided by 27 minus 16. 11. Yes. 27 minus 16 is equal to 11. Now similarly and with upper side. So what is given in upside? So here 27 plus 16 is equal to what? Here is missing. 1 meter. Here 2 6 are 6 and 6 4s are 24.
12. 24.
Here 24 will come, right? Now 27 plus 16 is equal to what? 43. 43 minus 24 under of 3 upon 11. Right? That will be your answer. Now we cannot do anything. Understood this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now shall we go ahead with the next sum?
Yes, ma'am.
Now fifth sum. Fifth sum is that 5 cos square 60 plus 4 sec square 30 minus 10 square 45 divided by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. Now tell me the values of all. 5 into, what is the value of cos 60?
1 root
1 upon 2 square, because here square is given, right? Plus 4 into sec 30
2 upon under root
2 upon under of 3 square minus tan 45 is equal to 1 square, okay? Divided by sin square 30. Value of sin square 30 is equal to
1 upon 2.
1 upon 2 square plus cos square 30
Under root 3 upon 2.
square, right? Now we have to solve this sum. Now 5 into 1 square is equal to 1 and 2 square is equal to 4, right?
4.
Plus 4 into 2 square is equal to 4 and 3 under of 3 square is equal to only 3.
3.
Right? And 1 square is equal to 1. Now divided by 1 square is equal to 1 and 2 square is equal to 4 plus 3 square become
4.
3 only and 3 divided by 4. Right?
4.
Now going
Yes.
ahead. So here 5 upon 4 will become. So here what will become 5 upon 4 plus 4 4s are 16 upon 3 and minus 1 upon, here we are taking the LCM. Okay, so what will become? 4 will be the LCM and become 1 plus 3. Okay, so what will become? Now we are talking about near LCM. Taking near LCM, the 4 3s are mostly 12 will be the LCM. Here we have to multiply
12.
3, here by 4 and here by 12. Right? 5 3s are 50 minus 16 4s are
12.
16 4s are
64.
64 and
64.
minus 12. Right? And divided by what? 3 plus 1? 4. 4 upon 4 is equal to 1. So we are adding only 1 only. Okay. So now 15 minus 64. Sorry, here plus 64 will come. 15 plus 64. How much will become?
79.
Okay. 79 minus 12.
67.
Right. So 67 upon 12 will be our answer. Understood this sum?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Now students, we are not going ahead, but giving some homework.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So, next question is that choose the correct option and justify your choice. Justification is said to be right, then you have to solve the sum full. And then you can give the justification, right? So, can you try to solve these MCQs?
Yes, ma'am.
So, it will become
Yes,
your
ma'am.
homework. हाँ. So,
मैम
हाँ बोलिए.
ट्राई करेंगे.
मैम है ना, इसके जो हम जब ये नोटबुक में करेंगे ना, फेयर नोटबुक में, तब हमें सॉल्यूशन शो करने हैं या नहीं करने हैं?
हाँ करने जस्टिफाई है तो करो सॉल्यूशन सॉल्व फेयर नोटबुक में भी ओके see
Yes,
if,
ma'am.
if you are doing in the fair or rough you have to do so do in a fair notebook only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
With that also you have to solve the examples also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
example भी try करो and if you have any doubt you can just ask me tomorrow, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So
यस मैम.
try everything to solve.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now do you have any doubt regarding anything?
नो मैम.
No, ma'am.
मैम पक्का है ना, सी को कभी नहीं मानेंगे थीटा?
हाँ, जो राइट एंगल है ना उसको थीटा नहीं मानना है.
मतलब है ना, हम ए बी सी की जगह हम बी सी ए भी दे सकते हैं ना.
तो जो
नेमिंग.
हाँ नेमिंग आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो पर जो भी राइट एंगल है उसको हम थीटा एज्यूम नहीं करते कभी भी नहीं. जो भी राइट एंगल पे आप जाओ आइदर इट इज ए बी और सी जो भी राइट एंगल बनेगा वो थीटा नहीं होगा.
ओके.
ओके कभी भी नहीं.
यस मैम.
ओके नाउ वी आर वाइंडिंग अप दिस क्लास. ओके
यस मैम.
ओके चलो बाय एवरीवन.
बाय
बाय मैम.
बाय.
बाय.